I fucking hate this. Let's fucking go. Okay, so in the TileBoy function section, we've added this to our little index, and then down here is TileBoy editor put a U32 into the tile map, use the right area mask to modify what we're going to set down. Here's all the parameters in the exact same order as here. We want the size of the tile in pebbles. If you don't know what a pebble is, too fucking bad. Let's keep on going. The maximum index of our tile on the tile map. So if GTX, GTY is outside of that range, this maximum index, then we're going to do fuck all. We're going to do nothing. Otherwise, we're going to calculate where data pixel X, data pixel Y is. We got a nice fucking diagram. Go look at it. Okay, so tiles in a hotel. Here's the calculation for that. Tiles in a room. Here's the calculation for this. Why is this that calculation? Well, we have a 3x3 grid of hotels in the DOM. That's why there's a 3 here. Within a hotel, there's a 5x5 grid of rooms. So that explains that calculation. Let's move on. H3x, H3y is the hotel's location within the 3x3 grid of hotels, and it needs to be 0, 1, or 2 inclusive. Here's the formula for that. Figure it out yourself. Okay, hotel local X, hotel local Y. All we're doing is we're taking global tile X and global tile Y and using this anti-remainder to localize it. Hotel local X, hotel local Y, the local address of our tile within the current hotel. Okay, R5X, R5Y, that's our room in a 5x5 grid because each hotel is a 5x5 grid of rooms, okay? So this is the formula for that. We got to move on. Okay, G25 is this value turned into a one-dimensional scanline index. So here's the formula for that. If you don't know basic tile map math, you're at the wrong place, my friend. Okay, so R4X, R4Y is the same as R5X, R5Y, but this is the render layout, this is the data layout. So we're going to use this lookup table to figure that shit out. And then the diagonal offset, lateral offset to the data, lateral multiplier X, lateral multiplier Y. We're going to use these lookup tables, right? This is what goes in because this is what goes in, this is what goes out, and here's what's coming out, right? Okay, and then the fucking local X, fucking local Y, the final localized coordinate, localized to the actual room. Okay, so once we have all that shit, we got to just smash it together. Data pixel X and data pixel Y. We have to seek to the correct data. So each hotel is 512 by 512. Each room is 128 by 128. Diagonal offset to the data, lateral offset to the correct layer, and then adding the local coordinate. We're out of fucking time. I'm not recording this game. We're fucking done.